Hello my dear friends and family. In the last class we have seen about a basic introduction about the mathematics. Okay, and also have for a newcomers I'm telling I'm going to take about a mathematic tricks. Okay, so when when the introduction class itself I've told you because of my you have been heard about my story, why I have been interested towards about mathematic tricks, you know about it. Okay, who saw about my first introduction class. Okay, so very toughest basic concept in the mathematics is multiplication and divisions. Okay, so in case if the addition, for the addition and subtraction is a very easy when it comes for like a 2 to 3 digit. Okay, so when the digit was like a 7 and 8, even though it's a even though it is an addition or subtraction, we may feel a little bit difficult. Okay, so the digit is the plays a very major role in the mathematics. Okay, so but whereas in addition subtraction, if we can we can do something when it comes for a 2 to 3 digit, we can do it ourselves. Okay, so but in case if it is a multiplications, when it comes as a largest 2 digit number, we will take a little bit time to solve these kind of problems. Okay, you may come you may have a question like why I want to study about these kind of mathematic tricks, because I have come across with all those things, a very basic concept. Now I'm doing my engineering mathematics, I'm doing my other architect mathematics. You may have a question, but in everything we have a basic. For example, when you're going for any competitive exam, doesn't ask any huge or very difficult questions. They will ask very basic, because in every interview they will check only the basic knowledge of every subject, whether they have a basic knowledge of an English, Tamil or in your mother tongue, or they have a basic knowledge about a maths and science and so on. So they will check only the basic knowledge. If we are strong in a basic, they will have a confidence to do okay, she will do it or he will do it. They have some confidence. So in every competitive exam they will ask some difficulty in a basic mathematics. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm taking multiplications as a first class. Okay, so we all feel very difficult in a large digits of, that is a 2 digit. When it comes as a 97 into 96, we feel somewhat difficult. Okay, so even though some students will be very well versed in the multiplication tables, they will do it very quickly. Okay, so but I think 75% of people will well versed in the 2 tables and 4 and some 9 tables. Okay, somebody will be comfortable with some numbers tables alone. Okay, so for those kind of people, this mathematics going to be help very immensely. Okay, so this is the largest 2 digit multiplication. We are going to perform a very easy method. Okay, so 97 into 96. Okay, if we put on our basic method, it will take time. Okay, so this is a very large expansion of the this problem, but when you are going to perform in any competitive exam, you can skip these steps. You can put only the answer for your for your explanation. Have come across with a step by step, but you don't need to do a step by step process when you are attending the competitive exam. You can directly go to the final answer. Let's see what are the steps. So here 97 into 96. Okay, so when it comes as a 97 and 96, they are included in the 100. Okay, so that is the 97 and 96 are included in the hundreds. Okay, so we have taken 100 as a common. So 100 minus 97, 100 minus 96. Okay, I'm telling one more time. 100 minus 97, 100 minus 96. So we are subtracting the each and every that is a 2 digit number from the 100. Okay, so 100 minus 97, 3, 100 minus 96, 4. Okay, so this is the first step. Don't get confused. You just don't see this. 100 minus 97, 100 minus 96. Okay, so 100 minus 97, 3, and 100 minus 97, 4. Okay, so then 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. We will get the answer 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So we have to subtract the 7 from the 100. What we have did here. Okay, so 100 minus 7 is equal to 93. So 93, this digit will be the first 2 digit for the answer, final answer. So 93 is the first 2 digit answer. Next, 3 into 4. So we want to do the multiplication. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So this 2 digit number is the next 2 digit for the final answer, 93 and 12. Okay. I know if I go to the next one you can't understand. I will tell you one more time. Please listen carefully. So this is a biggest 2 digit multiplication, 97 into 96. Okay, so 97 and 96. So we want to subtract 97 and 96 from the 100. So 100 minus 97 and 100 minus 96. Okay, then the final answer will be 100 minus 97 is equal to 3 and 100 minus 97 is equal to 4. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. You may feel very difficult when I have written it here. Okay, so 7. So again from this we want to subtract 100 minus 7. Okay, so is equal to 93. So this 93 will be the first 2 digit for the final answer. Next we have bring the answer 3 and 4. So 100 minus 97 3 and 100 minus 96 4. So we want to perform the multiplication. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So this is the last 2 digit for the final answer. Okay, so here I have come with the next largest 2 digit number for the multiplication. We are going to perform this basic alternative method to perform the largest multiplication number. So what we have done here, first we have subtracted the given number from the 100. So here also we are going to perform it the same. 100 minus 88 and 100 minus 97. Okay, so 100 minus 88 is equal to 12 and 100 minus 97 is equal to 3. So what we have did here, I have also the same process I have come here also. So next, so 12 plus 3 is equal to 13, 14, 15. So this answer should be subtracted from the 100. This answer should be subtracted from the 100. So 100 minus 15 is equal to 85. So what we have get answer 85. Okay, so next we want to perform the multiplication, isn't it? So 12 into 3. So what does mean by 12 into 3 is equal to 36. So this is the last 2 digit for the final answer. So 88 into 97. For this the final answer will be the 8536. Okay. So I'm coming again one more time. So here 88 into 97, this is the largest 2 digit multiplication. So we want to subtract the 88 and 97 from the 100. So 100 minus 88 is equal to 12 and 100 minus 97 is equal to 3. So next 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So we want to subtract the 15 from the 100. So final answer will be the 85. So this is the first 2 digits. So don't forget whether it will become first or second. So we are going to find out the first 2 digit of the final answer. So this is 85 is the first 2 digit of the final answer. Next we have bring the 12 and 3, isn't it? So we want to perform the multiplication. So 12 into 3 is equal to 36. So this is 36 will be the second 2 digit for the final answer. So the final answer will be the 8536. Okay. So let's perform the another biggest 2 digit number. So we have keep 95 into 97. So what is the first step? So here I have I'm taking from the stepwise. Okay, so but you don't need to perform this stepwise. You can perform, because the 100 minus 95 is a very simple answer. We can assume it's a 5. Okay, next 100 minus 7 is equal to 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, then we will want to subtract the 100 minus 8. So 100 minus 8 is equal to 97. So the first final answer will be the 97. Next we want to perform 5 into 3. So 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So next is 15. So the final answer will be the 97 15. So 9715. So we can perform it mentally. For your clarification only, I have come up with a step 1, step 2. Okay. So first step 1, we want to subtract the given number from the 100. So 100 minus 95 and again 100 minus 97. 100 minus 95 is equal to 5 plus 100 minus 97 is equal to 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So we want to subtract the given answer 8 from the 100. 100 minus 8 is equal to 92, isn't it? So the final answer will be the 92. Okay, next we want to perform the 5 multiplication. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So last 2 digit number for the final answer is 15. So 95 into 97, for this answer is 9215 will be the final answer. So it is a very easy method. You can do it with your mental ability itself. Okay.